Login failed on Albert app fix. You try to log into the Albert app to track your spending or check your savings, but suddenly login failed. It's annoying, but the good news is that it's almost always something simple that you can fix in just a few minutes. Start with the basics: your internet connection. Albert relies on a secure and stable connection to protect your data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check for app updates. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Albert, and tap Update if one is available. Older versions can cause login issues, especially after recent security upgrades. Now, re-enter your credentials, manually skip the password manager or autofill option. Sometimes an old saved password or invisible space can cause authentication errors. If you've forgotten your password, reset it through the Forgot Password link. If you use Face It, fingerprint login, or two-factor authentication, try disabling it temporarily. Then, log in using your email and password to refresh your account session. Still getting the error? Clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Albert Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app. This clears corrupted data that often causes login problems. Also, make sure you're not using a VPN or AdBlocker. Albert might reject masked addresses for security reasons. If nothing works, it might not be your fault at all. Albert's servers sometimes experience temporary outages. You can check their official social pages or support site for updates. So the next time your Albert app says login failed, don't panic. With a quick app update, password refresh, or cache clear, you'll be back in your account managing your finances with ease.